Alright people, it's time to test out some GBA on the X9 portable system from China. Welcome back to a new video, and today's video we're going to test out some Game Boy Advance games on the X9 and let's see if they are running just fine. Let's go, and let's start with F-Zero. Alright, fill in the name. Let's do some training. Is it me or is the track left bottom on the screen flickering? That's not normal, so far I know. Seems to be the rest of the game is just working fine. Soundtracks are sounding good. Good frame rate. Love the big screen by the way, I love it. So yeah, for the final conclusion about the Game Boy Advance on this X9 portable system. So in this case it's more like an X9, games work just fine. There can be a little bit of a sound problem here and there, but nothing very big of a problem if you ask me. So in overall, it's a really cool system to play your old school Game Boy Advance games. So let me know what you think of this, and don't forget to leave something in the comments, subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell. See you next time people, thanks for watching, bye bye. This time don't fall into the, use the double jump.